Before printing, view your paper cut print account balance. Double-click on the green P icon on the dock to launch paper cut. A window will pop up showing your account balance. If your balance is at $0, then see a technician in MACLab room 335 to purchase more printing credits. Step 1. Under the Mode menu, convert your images to CMYK. Under the File menu, select Print. Ensure the paper orientation matches the file orientation. Click on the Print Settings button and select a paper size. In this demonstration we will select 8.5 by 11 paper as the size. Click Save to accept the settings. Step 2. Click Print. Scroll down to Printer Options and click on the arrow. Scroll down to Fiery Features, click on the eye. Click on Full Properties. Presets are descriptive. In this demonstration we select 4C 8.5 by 11 one-sided plain paper. This means printing full color on 8.5 by 11 plain paper printed on one side. Click on the Presets drop-down and select a preset. Click OK. Click OK again. Click Print. When the printer box pops up, enter your password. The password is the same password as your login password.